AI Trading Futures, Jim Daniels took a little break there. Back with you, really just sitting here watching the markets do nothing and forgot to hit record. Been doing that a lot this week. Anyway, Tim's in the house. We're just sitting here. We've passed that 10 o'clock time that we try not to trade. And so now that we give it all back, got a DG4 in the house. I'm not going to go for DG5 today. I don't feel it. Mainly because we missed this entire nice ashy candle run. Look how beautiful this thing was today. Put it on a 5 for you, give you perspective. Look at that 5-minute ashy candle beautification. Way overbought here. 82, 81. Just put in my options order to sell my covered calls over on TSLL, selling 11 this morning. Have not gotten filled. Hope to get filled in a second. It went parabolic today, everybody. I don't know if you can see that, but it went crazy. Nice relief rally, I guess they call it. Up 4.48%, 4.5%. Only trying to get a small order. The Oxman expiration is in 2 days. We're at where I think is a top pivot on the overall future. So I'm just trying to get in there. I'm trying to cheat 1 penny. See if we get it filled. If we don't get it filled, we'll wait a little bit. Worried about the implied volume, that erosion. If it rolls over here a little bit, it is rolling over. Way above VWAP, as is the overall markets. So what's happening with the overall markets? See a green out there.
Right down the moment.
The ES, the NQ are both up over 1%.
Hopefully that'll be a good answer to today's plan.
MSTX, where's MSTR?
And then we work our way down.
They sold off the other day. MSTX right there.
Myself back in positive.
Chopping around a little bit. It's okay.
I don't like flat consolidation, but just sit there. This always tells me there's
not much to do. Look how far overbought we are. It can do whatever it wants. You think you're going to have a pullback here? I don't know. I just don't know.
Well, I do see confirmation. I did see confirmation of the downside.
We're watching Matt Coward over there over the rocket scooter.
Kind of lost most of it. But in all honesty, like breaking through the span, you keep going. It's like 4% a day goes up here. The rest of them close
down.
Here
we go. First time we've been through the 20. Let's just see what happens.
I'm a little happy.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a small order and just try to ride this down. I'm taking a cheated in on an ashy play over here is all I'm doing. I'm going to let it go here. That's through 1,000. Back to 500. There's through 1,000, through 1,100, through 1,700, 2,900. Let's just let it go here so we can get through 3,000.
Order filled.
I took it right there at that pause, 3,300. Just a classic, you guys, break of the 20 EMA, descending histogram, curling down RSI, and your first red candle in a long time on your ASHI. And then Bookmap says, hey, you want to trade? And I said, well, yeah, I do. And so right there, you saw it on the screen where we closed out at. Now we wait and look for another one. It's a great impulse candle to get into because, look, the bull stepped right up. While we do not hold, can't give you advice. This is just entertainment. You are seeing how we do it while we're trading. We got Grok, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini in the house. They're over here on the cell phone, on the spare cell phone, the trading cell phone. What's going on, bookkeeper? Yeah, we got to meet up with them. We hadn't met up with them since we ate at the Bay Bar.
Green candle on yesterday's downside is
I know. Since then,
more bullish than I thought it would be.
Since we moved here, it's weird. In 3-4 years,
I've been bullish every single day since November for the most part. Shorting just a couple of days. The shorting has been pretty successful. This is the one time the shorting hasn't played out.
Yep, he probably still has our Costco card in his pocket.
This one just blew me for.
Oh, I know that. All right, bookkeeper's in the house over there. Her feet were cold. She had to get some socks. Nothing on me's cold. I'm just trying to make some money. That might have put us at DG5. I'm scared to even look. I'm just going to trade. Just going to trade. Show you the trading day real quick. It's going to look messy because look at I'm zoomed out there. There's a trading day. Heavy on all those pivots in the morning, and then I didn't take any of this long here. I took some pivots in there, took some of that long there, and I just took a little short there. I don't know why my mind as a human button pusher is on shorts today. I don't think I've had one long.
VIX is starting to turn up just a little tiny bit, but I don't.
Even though we're having a rally, isn't that weird?
S&P drops over there. Should find a better spot.
I'm gonna respect it though. In and out
Again.
very, very fast. Over here on the I'm on the 5
here
there, Jimmy.
On the
What did you do that
425. We get close
Back to
that.
the 30-second. On the 5 though, we did get us a candle. Always scanned up there. 2 minutes already had a little rundown. 3 minutes, 5 minutes putting in a first red candle. But boy, look at that top and bottom tail. But this could be the beginning of a reversal. So that's what we're going to look for, beginning of a reversal. People taking profits is all I see. Pretty healthy bull run up, you know. And the RSI unwinding down below 40, between 30 and 40 is healthy. Let's see, we can't get an impulse candle down to do that. We're past 10 o'clock, so past 10 o'clock rules is in place. We should not be trading right now. Can't help ourselves, especially we're trying to cut some videos. Not able to help
I
ourselves.
still believe in more downside, like bigger downside, not rally up, not like small downside. I still believe in bigger downside. So S&P's finally back on
That
its
impulse
level,
candle,
which
we
is
got that
okay.
one trade in right there. What do we
Good
get
for
out of
this
that?
trade. Still
Zoom in
holding
and
like
see.
20 down to 8 though. Gotta cut the medium.
Got a little 20, coming up on 20 EMA for me.
Nice little trade, y'all. 58.51, 7 points. Actually, 7.5 points is what I got out of that. I called it break of the 20 with book maps. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting.
True.
Last trade I took was way down here, 48.79. So got a really good short there. I mean, really good, yeah, really good short, really good long there. That is the only long I did today.
If
379.
Number one,
Excuse me.
losing DD band is
Yeah,
usually
that's right.
very bad. Whenever you break through and lose it, it can fall the
Took
whole
it,
way
loved
back
it,
down.
taking some more of it.
There is likely
No
now
DCAing there,
there's
just a
pocket
quick
with such
20.
strong move, so I might have to like, get my happiness and then my heart broken, and then have one more wave down. If and this is
what
a
we
big
got
if.
here.
I don't think this is gonna happen. It's a big if.
Got a feeling this thing's going to unwind. I want a piece of it, but I don't want to get caught here in an up run.
This pocket.
Definitely going to wait for a book maps to give us an impulse candle. No man's land. We got all moving averages crossing over each other. And look, the green is on the bottom, so it's green, red, blue. So we are stationed to quote unquote sell here a little bit. Interesting how the RSI has kind of unwound down to the midsection here, but we ain't got a lot of price action change. What is that price action change here? Top of this run to this bottom. It's been a 40 points. That's not a big unwinding.
If like
Put your Fibonacci on that. You see what I mean? Been a heck of a run since the break of the VWAP. Let's just do a Fibonacci since the break of the VWAP. VWAP break to now, to the high, would not even pull back to the 236. So pulling back to the 236 area, not inconceivable. It's not advice. You're not watching it in real time anyway. So these are all educational videos, education and entertainment. I'll have to be super careful once we start doing it live. Don't want anybody to copy trade me.
This is the day that everybody seems to want to jump back into this stuff.
All right, so we're 10 minutes in on this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Hit that bell, that notification bell. Go out to the website and get all the free PDFs. I spent a lot of hours developing those, and they're free. And we'll have something for you to buy at some point, but right now we're giving everything away for free. Try to help everybody start their paper trading careers. All right, Tim and I'll be right back in this next one.